In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $10,000 a month from YouTube just by copying and without showing your face. So watch the video carefully until the end. The first thing we need to do is use ChatGPT. This is the first artificial intelligence software. You need to help you create faceless YouTube automation videos. So this one here called openai.com. You want to come here, then for using the ChatGPT feature, they press to enter. So as you can see, I've opened up ChatGPT. It's an AI notification that you can literally ask anything and it will answer you. Actually, you have a very creative answer. So the second step is to choose a very profitable niche. So what you can do is type in ChatGPT, please 10 high CPM niches. On YouTube, CPM is basically fixed for cost per million, or how much YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views, and we want to CPM of $10, $20, maybe even $30. So all we have to do is push this and ChatGPT will prepare it for us. Let's check this list now for funding and investment. Clearly, it will probably have the highest CPM position, and that is why it is listed. Okay, so what should we do? Personal development and motivation is also a very good niches. I'm actually going to show you an example of a channel that is very profitable in personal development. So it actually combines these niches and it makes $20 to $25 per 1,000 hits, which is pretty cool. So let me go ahead and show you an example. Now the channel called Vibo is doing just that. Faceless YouTube automation videos that are basically approved. Different things, luxury lifestyle, as you see how to get rich in the next recession. The science of getting rich, and you just know stock footage clips and copyright free images with sound above. So this channel is very easy to repeat using artificial intelligence. We do a step 3 where we choose a viral video for this model. So we're only looking at their latest video. As you can see, they've had 19,000 views. We're just going to keep scrolling down to see if we can find one that's even more. As you can see, this one that says I'm rich, affirmation for success and money, click on this video. It's just saying different money affirmations that people can repeat to themselves in the morning or at night to get a better mindset. Right, this is personal development type channel, but it's combines with luxury. So what we're going to do is we're going to model this video now. First, we want to here at socialblade.com. Let me show you an estimate of how much they earn. So you see they earn more than $1,900 per month or $22,000 per year. Every year, this is actually completely wrong because Social Blade comes out of CPM, as you can see. If it is on the little question mark, you can see that the default 30 message range is 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. The channel earn more than $20 per 1,000 views. So we can simply multiply that by 5, and that gives us a better range of what they're making. so that they earn about $10,000 per month or $120,000 per year in passive income to uploading to YouTube without a face. Videos we can make using artificial intelligence. What we are going to do is we are going to go to the next step where it's video, and as you can see we've selected our video with 258,000 views. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a script just like this video. So what I'm going to do is go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to type list 50 veils affirmation that people can say to themselves in the morning, and then ChatGPT prepare it for us. It does. So write me a quick slides for this video, 50 veils affirmations. As you know, I am to receive abundance, wealth, and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly and gradually. If you want the longest script, you can make list longer, but you know that I think 50 videos are enough. A video of 6 to 8 minutes will be good. The first thing we need to do is get a voice to actually read the script. Now I want to use artificial intelligence technology. I'm going to show you the platform Pretty that does this very well. So what we are going to do is we are actually going to this platform called 11labs.io. Now it's an audio technology research company. Based on that, it makes artificial intelligence voices that sound like humans. You can even program your own voice in this special software. Now as you can see, I opened it earlier. You can choose from different settings. They all have different sounds. I like Anthony's sounds for these particular niches, like the luxury lifestyle accents. It's a little bit deeper and kind of smooth flowing. So what I want to do is that get the script from ChatGPT. That's right, and I press copy and then it goes and I put it in 11 Labs right here. Then I press generate, and as you can see we listen to it. It's great. The voice sounds like a human. AI voices weren't good before, and I definitely wouldn't recommend them. But now with this platform we just need to download the audio file from here. Now all we need to do is get the AI generated video. Therefore there are not many softwares that create video based on artificial intelligence, but I found a software that does a decent job. We come here, it's called InVideo. It's free to use and they have a special software here. It creates a text to video AI. So what we're going to do is we are just going to attach the script to this video, and it's actually going to fill in different images and copyright free footage for our video, so you can just choose whatever you like. So you can easily start your YouTube channel with the help of artificial intelligence and earn money online.